What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. So today we're going to be talking about 5 things that are going to make you happier as a person. Okay? I have gone through many phases in my life where basically all I did was either school, work, starting businesses, or work, pretty much from when you wake up to when you go to sleep. I figured that a lot of you guys are probably in the same boat, and that's not really sustainable. So I wanted to share with you guys some of the top things that have kept me grounded as a person and keep my life a little bit more interesting. So thanks for joining. Let's get into it. All right, so the number one thing that I enjoy besides photography is cooking. If you follow my Instagram, I'm sure you've seen a lot of behind the scenes food pics. I've been doing vegetarian the last couple months, feeling healthy, having fun trying some new stuff. So one thing you can do if you don't know anything about cooking is try a meal service like HelloFresh. They send you, this isn't sponsored or anything, but this is something I do. They send you bags like this that just have all your ingredients for a specific meal with all your spices and produce, meat if it's a meat meal, and recipe cards that are super easy to use. Most of the meals take under an hour to prepare, and they're really good. I really haven't had anything that I didn't like from them. So pretty cool. If you want to start getting really into it, one of the things for me that has been a great investment is this, knives. So these are my knives. I literally just have these two and can do anything I need to with them. It was a little bit of an investment, but I'm pretty minimalist, and this is all I have. You're probably gonna be saving some money if you're cooking at home anyways, so I think it's definitely worth the investment. Get something nice because it's gonna last you a long time. You just have to keep it sharp, not hard. This is pretty much all you need to get going. Mostly this one. This one's more just for if you're doing like avocados or like small fruits and vegetables and stuff. But aren't these cool? If you're subscribed to my channel and are into photography and stuff, you'll probably really enjoy the craftsmanship element of having nice knives. All right, benefits of cooking. You're probably gonna save some money if you're going out to eat all the time. It's a lot cheaper just to buy your stuff at home, make bulk meals, have it for a few days, and you'll also have a lot more control over how healthy your food is for you. So it's gonna affect every area of your life. That's why I wanted to do this one first. All right, the next one is get organized. Super easy. All I use to get organized is the Notes app in my phone, Google Calendars. I use this Moleskine journal. I really like the one that just has the dots instead of lines because you can go from writing to drawing to making shapes and big font, little font, however you want to do it. Without worrying about lines. So I use this to like outline all my YouTube ideas. It's super easy to write on it. Paper quality, super nice. I know this isn't for everybody. Not everybody likes to write stuff down, but for me, there's something about doing anything I can that's just tactical with your hands, writing stuff out, making stuff like cooking or making art or lifting weights, stuff like that. There's just something good about it. Being organized can help you reach your goals over a long term by planning out small steps or small daily tasks. And over time, you're gonna get a lot more done than you think if you're organized. All right, the next thing is something that I held out on for forever. My brother tried to convince me forever to get a video game system, but I finally caved when the PS5 came out and have loved it ever since. There's just something fun about being able to do something that's not productive, that's just kind of mindless fun. And honestly, the amount of hours of entertainment you get out of like a $50 game compared to like anything else is great. One thing that is always surprising to me is that you get access to a lot of free games on your PlayStation account too, which is awesome, and they're actually really fun. My setup for that is this controller, normal controller, and I've just got my normal headphones that I use for traveling and editing, the Bose Quiet Comfort 35 sound isolating headphones. I've had these for like 3 years, and I've only had to replace these once. It's like $30, super easy. You just pop them in. But these are amazing headphones, the most comfortable ones I've ever used for editing, for traveling, for just if you just want to tone out a bunch of noise and have some nice zen quiet time. They're great. They're comfortable enough to wear with naps. So I've just got that, and then I've got this little mag mod thing for my wireless Bluetooth microphone. And I'll link this in the description. I forgot what it's called. But basically you just do that, and then it connects right to your PlayStation. Alternative option for games is to get not digital games like card games. Chess is awesome, and I've actually been playing this a lot lately. One Night Ultimate Werewolf. If you've played Mafia, where you like close your eyes and have villagers do different things, it's kind of like that, but with cards, and it has an app that narrates the game for you, so it's like super easy. You can set it up and immediately play it with your family. If you have a family gathering come up, try it out, super fun. So, mindless entertainment, great. All right, I'm gonna combine the last two. So they are get outside and work out. Get your health in order, get your vitamin D, get outside, it's good for you. For me personally, anytime I've felt depressed, anxious, or just been kind of overwhelmed with everything, having a routine where you get outside, get some sun on your skin, and even if you're super busy, you can make time to get in like a 30-40 minute workout a couple times a week at least, and you're gonna start feeling a lot better. You're gonna feel a lot more connected to your body, you're gonna feel a lot stronger and more confident, which goes a long way, especially if you're a super busy photographer, videographer, like a lot of you guys are. It's really easy to just spend all your time trying to take care of your clients, but if you're not taking care of yourself, you're gonna start feeling really bad, and it's gonna be really, really hard to do what you're doing. At a minimum, you just wanna hit all of your main body groups, working out, doing some weights, and that's gonna go a long way. Work on your mobility, work on your core strength, and if you want to target certain muscles, go for it, get some cardio in. I'm more of a fan of just doing like heavy weightlifting stuff and then doing more fun cardio stuff. I actually joined a softball team this last season, super random, but totally a lot of fun. We only won one game out of the whole season. So definitely a humbling, good experience, but it was a lot of fun. So if you have a hard time doing a lot of outdoor cardio or anything, one recommendation that I have, this is the most expensive thing on this list for sure. So this is my one wheel. Might be a little bit big for some people, but for me, it fits my feet really well. When I got it, I was in a season of my life where basically all I was doing was working, so I was making more money, and I never really was spending any money on myself except for on like food and trying to take care of myself. So I saved up a little bit and got a one wheel XR, and it's like the most fun thing ever. I grew up skateboarding, so getting on it was super natural to me. I know for some people it's a little bit harder. My mom tried it and broke her wrist like immediately. She fell off. She's fine now, she's recovered and everything, but definitely recommend getting a helmet and pads, wrist guards especially, just in case. Try it out on grass if you're new to it. But there's just something really, really cool about the one wheel. If you're going around a new city, if you're at the beach, or just like going around your normal neighborhood, you can see things in a whole different way, experiencing things in a whole different way. I've tried the pint, which is half as expensive, and it's super, super fun. If you're into photography, you could even just take that to go scout locations, take a little backpack with your camera, find all these spots that you wouldn't find normally if you're driving around, because you're just surrounded by the environment. You can go everywhere with it. There's just something unique and special about the experience of riding it that I think is totally worth the investment. I know it's a lot though, and it's not for everybody. So if you're not into skateboarding, I think e-bikes would be super similar experience. If not, maybe more fun, because you're probably gonna be less worried about falling. All right, that's it. I know these are not for everybody, but I think that finding things like this is definitely worth doing, and it's gonna help you stay grounded as a human, take care of your mental health, keep you having a little bit of fun in your life, and not just making your whole life about working. And I think that you're gonna be better off if you do that long term, and you're gonna look back on a lot of fun memories that you wouldn't have had otherwise if all you did was work. So, hope you guys like this. I know this is a little bit different because I mostly just post photography and videography tutorials and stuff. So just wanted to share a little bit from my life experiences, and hopefully that is helpful for some of you guys. So as always, everything's gonna be linked down in the description. If you guys like this video, make sure to leave a comment, hit the like button, subscribe, turn on your notifications and all that stuff to support the channel. I would really appreciate it, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace.